Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? So guys, today's video I'm going to be showing you guys, if you are a black person, like you're a black person, even if you are a man or woman, your skin is dark. I'm going to be showing you guys the best cream to use for dark skin in Italy. If you know you live in Italy, you can still see it somewhere else, but maybe it should be other names, because these names, they are written in Italian language. Understand? So if you want to buy it, if you live in other place, because a lot of people are watching me, you can just translate the write up and you see it. Yeah, so this cream, I'm just taking you guys round all this cream. So I'm going to show you guys the one that my husband is using. My husband cream is finished and I have to go and buy cream for him. He told me to help him buy cream. So men, they don't normally see chance. They always work. The time they will be at home, all this stuff they will lock Saturday and Sunday. You understand? So yeah, I'm just taking you guys around now. You will see the cream that my husband is using, and if you know my husband, you know that my husband's skin is very fine. It does not have pimple, it does not have anything. But I'm going to just put my husband a picture. So this is the cream that my husband is using. So if you have a husband, you have hobby, and you want your husband's skin to be glowing, you want your husband is a dark skin color, you want his skin to be glowing, just get this bio cream. You see, this cream is tea free cream, like it's a natural cream. There's nothing, it's not like all this we that is using Nigeria cream or Africa cream, that is all this causing dark knuckles and all that. But we don't start, and so we cannot go back, because if we go back now, our cream, our body go to change. So this is the oil that my husband is using as well. That oil is cost 5 euro something, while the cream is 5 euro something as well. Yes, so yeah, that is the cream for dark skin color. If you are a man or a woman, you need cream that will lighten your skin, that will give you the best cream, like the best skin ever. Use that cream, you are going to love it. And I came to perfume. You all know that I am a lover of a good perf. Like, I love good perf. I buy perf a lot. So I came to this side to see if I will see another type, not even the one that I'm using. Yeah, so this is the cream for children. If you need any cream for your kids, these are the children cream. One day I will show you guys the cream I'm using for my boy, for his skin to, like the one that is making his skin to glow. All right guys, please don't forget to follow this page for more video. Okay, I got my vitamin C oil, I got this face cleaning after makeup. Bye guys.